Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OpenAI Responses API for agent automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the OpenAI Responses API, you first need to create an account on the OpenAI website. Visit the OpenAI website and sign up for an account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is created, log in to the OpenAI dashboard. Navigate to the API section of the dashboard. Here, you will find your unique API key. Copy this API key as you'll need it for authentication. Next, open your preferred code editor. Create a new project folder for your agent automation. Inside this folder, create a new file named index.js. In this file, start by initializing a new node.js project. Run the command npm init in your terminal. After that, install the Axios library by running npm install Axios. Axios will help you make HTTP requests to the API. With Axios installed, you can now import it into your index.js file. At the top of the file, add the line const axios equals require axios. Next, create a function to handle the API request. Inside this function, you will set up the authentication headers. Use the copied API key to set the authorization header. Format the header like this: authorization, bearer your _API_KEY. You must replace your _API_ key with the API key you copied earlier. Now, you can specify the API endpoint for the OpenAI Responses API. The endpoint typically is https://api.openai.com/v1/responses . In your function, create an async function to manage the API call. Inside this async function, use Axios to send a post request to the endpoint. In the request, include the necessary headers and any data needed for your API call. Make sure to handle the response in your function. Log the response data to the console to see if the authentication is successful. Also, implement error handling to catch any potential errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.